Hi, fifth grade. Mrs. Trompak here. I just uploaded videos to help you all with all of the worksheets that you have to do in your Blizzard bags. So I just want to go over what posts I put on Google Classroom aligns with what worksheet. So if you look here where it says long division, the very top one that you can't see that my cursor is over, that one is for this worksheet. And I have the notes and a video to go with it. So let's go on to the next one. Multiplying using the distributive property. Is this worksheet. Remember, you have a lot of time. You have until April 7th to get these all done. So don't get stressed out. I did some of them for you. Just copy my work and then email me if you're stuck. Let's do the next one. Okay, I only did one video for those three and for this one. And again, this is all review. So multiplying by two-digit numbers goes with this worksheet. And then the next two, I did two separate posts for this worksheet. Multiplying two-digit multiplication A. So it's this one and this one. And if you did not sign up for Google Classroom, tell your friends who weren't here on Friday or Monday, your friends who did not get signed up for Google Classroom. Let me move my screen. Have them click on this link down here. That will get them signed up. I already emailed everybody, so please help your friends get signed up for Google Classroom because we are not going to be back in school for a very long time. I miss all of you guys. Please stay sharp on your math. Make sure you're not playing too many video games, even though you probably want to do that. And again, email me if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. I miss all of you. Bye, guys.